Hello everyone. Now I'm going to help you with the backplates as well as environments, how to work on backplates creation as well as how to create the environments which we require for creation of more models. So you can see this is a model, so this is active, so I'll just deactivate this. So now only environments are present. You can see now these are my environments, different. So if you want to activate the different environments, you need to go with the file libraries. From here select environments and choose which you want to work on. So I have already selected few of them, so let me just show you how to activate the environments. So here I'll just click on this warehouse. Okay, so when I do that, you can see the whatever the model is there, it is placed into the warehouse. You can see if I just drag it outside, this is the warehouse. So for this environment I want to create the floor effects, means I just want to create the reflection of my car model on this ground so that I can able to choose proper studio, means proper environment for that, so that I can show how it exactly looks. So we'll go with warehouse. So it is selected, so just delete if it is extra here. So environment table, you can delete this. So auto photo studio, there are two auto photo studios are there. I'll just delete one of these. Now the warehouse is active. You can see the green check in the environments. So in this there are options. If I just select this option, flatten floor, the model will just flatten on this floor, and that model will touch this floor. So here the floor effects. So how to deal with this? So if I activate this floor effect, you can see the model will be reflected on the ground. You can see as I increase the value, the floor effect is getting added in that, right? So if I increase it to maximum, you can see it will just go reduced. Yeah, you can see now it's proper. We can able to see the reflection of a car on the ground floor. So let me activate one more studio. On that I will show you how to work on it. So here I want to create the same thing. So the auto photo studio is active, and that I'm going to activate advanced. From the general to advanced, from here I'll select floor effect, and I'm going to increase the duration of the floor caustics, as you can see now. Yeah, now this is all about environment. How to work with backplates, means just adding the backgrounds for your model. So for that you need to select this add. From here browse new backplate. If you are working with the SolidWorks professional or standard license version, you will be able to, you can able to download the backplates from the internet from here. So if you go to cloud, if your internet access is there, you can download it from here. Let me show you the backplates here. So these are my few of the backplates which are already added. So this is the SolidWorks CAM background. So you can see if I activate this backplate, that backplate will be added. So if I activate this Tokyo atrium tree, that backplate will be placed and your car model will be placed exactly into this backplate. We can reorient it properly to position it. So let me go with the preview mode so that you can able to visualize it in a proper way. Yeah, I hope it is clear. So next you can see like this. These are some of the backplates you can work on with. This is the studio spot flow. So like this, there are so many backplates are there, so you can able to download it and you can able to work on these backplates. So I hope everything clear about backplates as well as environments. Thank you for watching. Please support our channel